If you're trying to figure out how to connect email marketing tools with your CRM, this short guide is going to walk you through the easiest and fastest way to do it, without wasting your time on long tutorials or bloated software overviews. And if you stick around to the end, I'll share the biggest mistake most people make with CRM integrations and how to avoid it. I tested all the most popular email marketing and CRM tools: MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, HubSpot, Salesforce, you name it. The software we'll be using today is the one I personally recommend for most businesses because it's simple, powerful, and comes with an exclusive free trial you can grab in the description below. That trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so if you want to follow along, check it out. Let's get straight into it. First, log in to your CRM dashboard and go to the Integrations or Settings tab. Every CRM is slightly different, but you're looking for a section called Email, Marketing Tools, or Connected Apps. If your CRM is modern, it'll have a built-in integration panel. Now in your email marketing tool, head to your settings and find the integrations area. You want to generate an API key or authentication token. It's usually a simple copy button next to the key. That key is what allows your CRM to securely talk to your email tool. Go back to your CRM and paste in the API key from your email marketing tool. Some platforms may ask for additional permissions. Just make sure email campaign syncing and contact syncing are enabled. Once connected, do a test sync. Import a small batch of contacts from your CRM into your email tool. Make sure names, emails, and tags are syncing correctly. If your CRM has custom fields like lead status or location, map them during the setup so you can personalize your campaigns later. After that, go to your email tool and create a basic welcome automation to confirm the connection. Something simple like, if contact is added from CRM, send welcome email. Run the automation and check if it fires correctly. That's your green light, the connection is working as it should. Now that you've connected your email marketing tool with your CRM, all new leads that come in will be automatically synced, and you'll be able to trigger automated emails based on behavior or stage in your sales funnel. The key takeaway here is this: the whole point of connecting your CRM and email marketing tool is to stop wasting time with manual uploads and make sure your leads always get the right message at the right time. Automation is what gives small teams the ability to act like big companies. Quick revision: log into both tools, grab your API key, connect them through the integrations panel, test your sync, and set up a basic automation to make sure everything is flowing correctly. If you want to skip the trial and error with tools that don't work well together, use the exclusive free trial linked below. It's the same software I used in this video, and it makes this whole process way easier. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.